Hello dear viewers, today in this video of Java we will learn how to download Eclipse for to start coding in Java. Let's begin. You can go to browser and search for Eclipse, right? So click on that, and after that you have to download that installer. Okay, so click on this. So there is a various file for Mac OS, for Windows OS, and for Linux OS. So for Windows, click on this button. So what it will do is it will download the installer. So click on this. So installer will get downloaded. So in my cases it is downloaded, so I am going to cancel it and move to download folder. I have already downloaded it here. So after downloading, double click on this file. So installer will get open, and after that we will use this Eclipse for Java coding. So we will click on this button, and after that we have to click on this install button. So you have not to do anything. So this package, this installer, what it will do is it will download all the required Java libraries and files. So you don't need to explicitly download JDK or any other file. So it will take care of all those things. Okay, so after that, click on install button. It will take time to download the necessary files. Okay, so after that it will get installed, right? So you have not to do any other thing. So after installation, this Eclipse shortcut icon will appear. So you have to double click on this. Okay, so what I have to do here is we have to mention the workspace path, right? So for my case it is this. Okay, so if you want to change the workspace path, so click on browse and select any of the place or directory where you want to store your Java workspace. Okay, so for my case let's just keep it is as it is. So launch the application. So as you can see, it is getting launched. So next what you have to do is you have to create a basic Java project, right? So for that you need to create you need to click on this button or go to file and new and Java project, right? So here you have to mention the project name, right? So that is the very basic thing you have to mention here. Let's say this is a first Java program, so we will mention like, let's say, hello world project. Okay, hello world. And the other thing you have to initially we are not creating any module, so you have to untick it. So as you can see, it is already unticked. So if it is ticked, then you have to untick it. All right, so Java environment, it is selected Java EC22. So as I already told you that you don't need to explicitly download Java, right? this installer will take care all of those things. Okay, so after that click on next button, right? And so here it is. So next so this is basically a project work structure, as you can see here, source, right? So after clicking on this finish, so project will get created, right? So this is a basic structure of Java project will get created. So as you can see, here is a JRE system library. It is already been selected for to compile Java program, right? So let me show you the workspace which already been created after this. So let me show you where it is, where the path is. So you can find it from right click this have project and go to properties, and after that, as you can see, this location is this. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to copy that path, Control C, and open run and paste it. So this is a basic Java project work structure. So sorry, workspace structure. So bin file basically contains the dot class file, right? Compiled files. Okay, so in src folder you will find the source code. Okay, right? So this is a basic basic file structure of any Java project, right? Okay, so what I next I need to do is I have to initially there is a one package. So these are default packages. src is a default package. You need to create one more package inside this src package. So let's create one more package. Okay, so let's name it like episode 1. So you have to follow the basic naming structure of package. So let's start with we have to start with a small letter, right? So episode 1. Okay, so inside, so episode 1 is another package inside src. So inside this episode 1 package, create a new class, Java class, right? So click on class, and as you can see the package inside src we have this episode 1 package. Okay, so this is a package name, and now I have to give a class name. Let's say main. I'm declaring I'm giving a class name as a main. Okay, so modifier will use public, and okay, so just click, make it it basic, not complicated. So so please click on this option. So program will get start from here. Okay, so it will get trigger from this main method. So please click on this option. So you can after clicking on this button, you will get this main method. Okay, automatically, you don't need to write explicitly inside main class. Okay, so after that, click on finish. Okay, so that's it. So as you can see, we have a very basic structure of this Eclipse project, right? So what you need to do is, let's test by writing some code just to print a message. Let's say this is my first Eclipse project. Okay, sorry. click on save. And to build this program, you have to there is a shortcut, but also you can execute it by this option. Okay, run as, no, control F11. So by control F11 it will compile and execute this program. So let's run control F11. So as you can see here, so this is my first Eclipse project. It gets printed. So hopefully you have understand how to set up Eclipse for your basic coding, Java coding, right? So that is all for in this video. So if you like this video, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. So thank you everyone.